Jason. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is my last Monsterbass box for a while. I'm taking a break, stepping away from Monsterbass due to some issues, some personal issues and stuff that I need to take care of. But without further ado, let's get into it. If everybody knows, been with the Monsterbass team for 2 years, and yeah, you know, it's the winter to fall transition. Cold water bass. You have different things here. As the pros, tells you how to fish some of the lures, so forth, so case. Gives you the moon phases. Like, who cares, right? It's November, December. It's cold in Ohio. It's being cold everywhere. You know, who knows? And then of course, next month is cold water bass fishing. So, without further ado, we'll get into it. Lunker Candy. Cellmate is their version of Cellmate. Lunker Candy. This is a Sugar Daddy 6 square bill, 4 to 6 feet, 7/16 ounce. Then you have a lipless crank, is known as the Sergeant from Thunder Hawk, 1/2 ounce. It's a silent, no rattles. Then you have a Flatty Daddy 65 from 13 Fishing. There you go. And it's a goes down to, it's a floating, so it's 3 to 6 feet. Then you get some nail weights from Monsterbass. You get a O-ring, so you can attach it to the Fat Baby Finesse worms. Also, you can do X-Zone center sticks. This is their version of the Senko X-Zone. One of my partners, where you get a Monsterbass sticker, you get some wacky hooks, size 2. You get 4 of these wacky hooks, and of course the golden ticket. Again, just run through these real quick. Golden ticket, you got your wacky rig hooks. Here's your center stick, your finesse worms. Got your nail weights. This is a 16th ounce nail weights. Sergeant from Thunderhawk, those are good, really good. This spring crawl, it's a silent, which will be really great in the clear water. Then your Sugar Daddy 3, 4 to 6 feet, your Lunker Candy. Nice little paint job on that. Their version of Cellmate. Another great square bill, 13 Fishing. Fat Daddy 65. It's a floating, so that's pretty cool. And then of course your O-rings to go on those, and the book. So anyway, that's all for this month's box. But that's Monsterbass. Now, my favorite is the Sergeant from Thunderhawk, the silent lipless crankbait. That would be pretty cool. I think it'd be awesome, especially in the clear water if they're hitting red. But as always, let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite. You know, I like talking tackle with y'all. As always, thank you, God bless, tight lines. We are out of here. Deuces.